Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mujani Azli binti Abdul Aziz, UK35012. Okay, today I will talk about the importance of variation in stochastic calculus. Before I start with the importance of variation, I will talk about the stochastic calculus first. Okay, what is stochastic calculus? Okay, stochastic calculus is a branch of mathematics that operates on stochastic process. It allows a consistent theory of integration to be defined for integrals of stochastic process with respect to stochastic process. It is used to model systems that behave randomly. Stochastic calculus, also known as stochastic calculus for Brownian motion and martingales. Stochastic analysis of processes related with fractional Brownian motion and numerical schemes for stochastic differential equation. Okay, now let's move to the variation of function. Okay, here is the variation of function. If g is the function of real variable, its variation over the interval from a to b in close bracket is defined as this equation. Vg a to the b equals to supremum summation of I equals to 1 till n partition I minus partition I minus 1, where the supremum is taken over the partitions a equals to t to the power of n0 less than t to the power of n1 till less than t to the power of n equals to b. By the triangle inequality, the sum in this equation increases as new points are added to the partition. Therefore, the variation of g is from this equation. It will form like this, where is limit from delta n close to 0, the summation of I equal to 1 till n, the partition I minus the partition I minus 1, where delta n equals to maximum I greater or equal to 1 or I less than or equal to n, partition I minus partition I minus pi minus 1. Okay, if VGAB is finite such that VGAB less than infinity, then G is said to be a function of finite variation on AB. If G is a function of t greater or equal to 0, then the variation function of G as a function of t is defined by this equation, VGT equal to VG from 0 to t. And from this equation, it shows that clearly VGT is a non-decreasing function of t. Okay, now let's move to the importance of variation in stochastic calculus. The first one is I will talk about the importance in continuous differentiable function, which is it have a zero quadratic variation. If any continuous deterministic process has well-defined quadratic variation along all partitions, it is zero. Any continuous stochastic process or function that has non-zero quadratic variation must have infinite total variations. And infinite total variation include in continuous time with continuous price process. For the second one is, from the basic idea in the stochastic calculus and variation, it will form the new formula for Brownian motion and Ito formula. And the last one is, variation in stochastic calculus can solve the financial problem such as unstable stock price. That's all from me. Thank you.